glad you guys are here. So today we are going to be doing a different type of video. I got this box from Walmart Beauty and all the products inside were free. You just have to pay $5 shipping. So if you're interested, I will leave a link below. And so we are going to open this and see what's inside. And I finally found my bag, you guys. I'm so excited. It has all my scissors and everything in it. Okay. I want to say I ordered this a little over a week ago, so the shipping time wasn't terrible. And this is just like printed on the box. It's not actually printed. I'm gonna open it up. So it has this Walmart Beauty card inside, and it looks like it lists everything that's in the box. So we have this number 7 Advanced Retinol Night Concentrate Skin Transforming Accelerator. The full size, it says, is $34.98. So all of these items in this box are trial sizes, just so you can try them out. And I believe they send a box. It's like it's a subscription box, but it's every season, I believe. So 3 or 4 times a year. So this is the Cetaphil Healthy Glow Daily Cream. And it says the full size version is $16.97. This is the Bio Oil Dry Skin Gel. It's $5.99. I'm curious to see. There's a lot of stuff in it. I wonder if it's like a lot of chemicals. I'll have to read that later and see everything that's in it. So this is an intensive foot repair. This is clinically proven. The full version is $7.84, so that's not terrible. It's supposed to soften severely cracked heels and dry skin. I'm kind of interested to try that out for the moments that you can't go and get a pedicure. And this one says Firming Argan Sheet Mask. The company is Found. I don't see it on the list of items that's on the sheet. So I wonder if this was like a replacement item. I love a good mask. I have complex skin. It's like oily but dry in some spots. So I always love a mask that can help with that. And then this says Calm Magnesium Supplement, Raspberry Lemon Flavor. And this also isn't on here. It does say de-stress with a moment of calm. So it had this little card in here. Available at Walmart. There's a QR code you can scan and some information on the item. So let's see, the weather outside might be frightful, but our selection of super hydrating skincare and more is so delightful. Tag Walmart Beauty Box to share your look. Each box will contain 6 products based on your beauty profile. Okay, so these 6 products, is actually 7, are based off of, like, they do a little questionnaire when you first go onto the website. So these products were based off of my questionnaire. The items that didn't come in here My Bite vitamins, Lola Organic Cotton Tampon, Hard Candy Sheer Envy Setting Spray. I wear a lot of makeup, so that's probably why that wasn't in my box. Degree Dry Spray Antiperspirant, Earth to Skin Hand Sanitizer, Vital Protein Strawberry Lemon Beauty Collagen, and this Milani Highly Rated Volume Mascara and Hanho Dermafix Blemish Custom Patch. So there's a few items on this card that were not in my box. And then the Cetaphil QR code so you can purchase at Walmart. So that is everything that was in that little box. So a subscription I'll keep, maybe not. I just thought it would be something neat to try and share with you guys. These were all the products that came in the box again. And essentially it was free. I just paid the $5 for shipping. So overall, not terrible. Alright, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Have you tried this box? Like, is it something you normally get, or have you even heard of it? Hit my little subscription button there if you want to see more of my content, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.